Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
We are back with another episode of Friends Fun with
Episodes.
Fun with
Episodes.
Fun with
Episodes.
Zara and
Daddy.
Dada. Yes. Today we are going to have some fun, but not with the study. But today we are going to talk about food.
Food.
And Zara is going to play as a chef.
Play as a chef.
What are you going to make, Zara?
Animals.
Animals? We cannot make animals. Can we make pasta today?
Yes.
Can you tell me how to make pasta?
Yes.
What do we need for making a pasta? Let's ask everyone. What do we need for making a pasta? We need broccoli, yes.
Broccoli.
And we need pasta.
Pasta.
And we need sauce.
Sauce.
And what else we need?
I want to eat sauce.
You want to eat sauce? Okay. But we have to first make it. And you are a chef. You have to make it for us.
Yes.
Yes. And a cheese.
Cheese.
We also need cheese for making pasta.
Cheese and sauce.
Yes.
Cheese and sauce.
Yes. So what we will do
Cheese
first?
and sauce.
Okay. First we will put water. Okay. We are going to put water and let's put it on the stove.
My cookie.
And yes, the water is boiling. What should we do? Put some pasta. It's a pretend pasta.
Or sauce.
And no, we cannot put sauce now. Let's chop the broccoli and carrots and capsicum. Okay, now pick up all the vegetables. And no, it's hot. It's very hot. Let's put pan on the stove. Okay, we are going to put pan on the stove. Where's the pan? Here's the pan. We'll put some olive oil. And now we will put our chopped vegetables. Let's put our vegetables. Let's stir it. Let's put little bit of salt and black pepper. Little bit. Do you like spicy, kids? Zara, do you like spicy? No,
Yes.
no. You don't like that much of a spicy food. Let's see. Our pasta is boiled. It's very hot. Okay, Zara, I got burnt. Can you put some soft cream? Thank you. Okay, let's rinse the pasta. Yes, and let's put it in that basket. And we got all the water out, and pasta is there with us. Oh, our vegetables are getting burned a little bit. Let's stir it for more. Okay, now we have to put pasta sauce. Do you want the white sauce, or you want a pesto sauce, or you want tomato sauce?
My pasta.
Okay, you want pasta sauce. Okay, let's put some pasta red sauce.
Yum.
Yummy. And can we also put some cheese? Yes, let's put some cheese, a creamy cheese that will make our pasta very, very creamy. Yummy. Now we have to do what? Put pasta. Okay, now we put the pasta. We have to close the lid and let it rest for 10 minutes.
Okay.
Do you guys smell anything? It's smelling really good. Let's open it. Ta-da! And we have to serve the pasta. I got the plate. And we have to serve the pasta. It's a pretend pasta. It's very careful, Zara. It's little hot. Can you hold it? Okay, let's take a small bite. It's hot. How is it?
Yeah.
Yummy! Wickets! We learned how to make pasta today. Good job, Zara. Isn't it the fun?
Yes.
Yes, and we had so much fun today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And let us know, what do you want us to do next? We will come back with another episode of Fun with Zara and Dada. And we will study something next time. Probably we will study the 3-letter words. Do you know? Cat, C-A-T, cat. D-O-G, dog, and P-E-N, pen. So these are the three words which has three letters in it. So we will learn more. And till then, stay safe, stay connected, and eat healthy. Okay, your pasta is getting cold. Come on, eat it. Let's finish it. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye. Bye bye, big kids.
Yum.